Ablution makes our heart so serene. Bismillah, let's start now. Step by step, I'll show you how. First we wash our hands so bright. Left and right, do it right. Rinse your mouth with gentle care. Clean inside everywhere. Sniff some water in your nose. Blow it out, that's how it goes. Wash your face from ear to ear. Nice and fresh, just like a mirror. Right arm, left arm, up to the elbow. Clean them well, nice and mellow. Wipe your head from front to back. Just one time, follow the track. Clean your ears inside and out. This is what Wudu's all about. Wash your feet, toes to the heel. Now your Wudu is complete. How clean you feel. Now you're ready, pure and new. Stand for prayer, Allah loves you.